That spring is springing and want to spring along with spring. I should be a rapper. Hi Royals! So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful look. Yes, with the skin base that we had. I'll leave a link to that video right in the description if you want to see how we achieved this. Get to lift this face, you know. Starting with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush foundation, I'll be going in with one full pump and using my Juvia's Place foundation brush. Now I'm gonna dot this everywhere I need it. I'm gonna blend this in. Do not forget the back of your ear, like that. You guys see? Like that. Your neck, your chin, and then you just want to take it down like that. Have your skin properly moisturized, it's easier to blend. This is why we say skincare before your makeup is very important. It's vital. I'm gonna press in. Guys, notice I avoided my under eye because I do not like to use too much product when I am doing my makeup, and just so that our under eye does not cake up, you want to put as little as possible over there. Next step would be to go with my concealers. Too Faced Born This Way concealer in two shades, Butterscotch and Chestnut. So Chestnut is darker, so I'll be going in with this right here, just a dot right here and there, here and there. You guys see there's a hollow here under my eye. Using little products is key. I tell you that for free. Going in with a flat brush that looks like this. You guys see that on the side, and with this I am going to spread this out like thinly. These are the things that you need to be doing in order to avoid having cakey makeup. The reason why your makeup is showing up cakey is because you're packing too much on. Going in with a lighter shade and I'm spreading that out also. Like I said, we're not blending. This is just spreading it out for it to get tacky. Go ahead and blend. This has sat for like, I say, a minute to 50 seconds. I'll be using my beauty sponge. This is not a beauty blender. I like to use this because they're disposable. You can get this at the dollar store. This is what it looks like. It's a pack of 20 pieces for, I think it was $1. The price I already tore it up. So either you get this from the dollar store, you could get it online on Amazon, but I just like to use this so that there's no bacteria being aboard. I use it, I trash it, and that's the end. I want to use a damp sponge. Usually when people say damp sponge, you're like, okay, how do I gauge that? You want to make sure that when you squeeze on it, nothing comes out, but it's not dry. And with this, I'm going to go in and blend my under eye. If you're looking to use a brush, this is the brush I would usually use. But today I'm just feeling different. So let's go in and blend this. I want to blend until you can see lines of demarcation, streaks, and all of that. It's blended in so beautifully. There are no harsh lines whatsoever. So now my contour, I am using my Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Sun-Kissed Glow Bronzer in the color Deep, and this is what it looks like. With my Real Techniques brush, it's the soft accent brush. It has a slant to it like that. See the way it's slanted? Going in that way like that. Just give our face the snatch look. Then you want to bring it up, bring it up, bring it up like that. If you're not able to determine how or what extent to which you should bring your contour either higher or lower, just suck in, feel for your bone right there, and just right underneath it is where you want to go. See, we're already getting snatched. We're already getting snatched. You're contouring your nose. You want to start from the bottom like that all the way and bring it to your eyebrows. Then you want to also do it the other way. As close as possible and bring it also to the eyebrows. So when you have these bases covered, it's easier when you go in to do the blending process. Everything is just smooth and beautiful. For a blush, and I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty one in the shade Fate. This is very pigmented. At the same time, it blends so beautifully. So we're going to go, you want to use it at the highest point of your cheek like that. Blending this with my Real Techniques blush brush. Blend this in. Let's see how beautiful this is. Oh gosh, this is so beautiful. Up like you see me doing. Okay, blend, blend, blend. Remember guys, no harsh lines. Next step I'm going to be doing is to set my under eyes. Don't want it creasing. Going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless pressed powder in the color medium number 2. So that this is well blended like that. It's okay to make weird faces. It's part of the process. Powder puff. Guys, this is the best thing you can do for yourself, getting a powder puff for your under eyes. The way it just sets makeup is beautiful. So I go in, I press in like that, dab it at the back of my hand to diffuse it, and set. You guys see how instantly mattifying it feels. Like I have put filters on. That's what this powder does for you. Get it. If you're not getting anything I'm showing you, as a matter of fact, get everything. But if you cannot, get this powder, because I have times where I am not in the mood to wear foundation. I just put on this powder alone and I'm good to go. Going in with another powder puff, I am using this Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder in number 4 deep. This is what it looks like. See how flawless it makes that place look like I have filters. Back in with my LA Girl palette, be setting my nose contour. Bring it under like that. Blend this all the way up. In with my NARS palette. This is the holiday palette. And going in with this shade right here. I'm gonna be setting my blush. Going back in with my LA Girl powder to set our contour like that. Set the other side. The remnant, I'll just use this on my jawline. I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder in the shade Deep that I used earlier. This brush is the best because it blends things out so flawlessly. As you guys can see, do not forget your neck where you applied foundation. So you want to blend, 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 ensure there are no harsh lines. Okay, I'm going in with my Davis Eye waterproof makeup pencil to line my lips. You can also use any brown lip liner of your choice that you're able to find. You can get this at Sephora, Amazon, Walmart, wherever, but just any brown lip liner would do. Blending that in. To make this very buttery, I'm going in with my Eye Magic palette, this shade here. If you have any tinted lip gloss, you can always use those at this point. To my Eye Magic palette, this color right here, this and this one. I'm just gonna mix both. For a wider range of lip combination without the price tag, use lip palettes. I'm blending. Next color that I'll be going in with is this white here. So the next thing I'm going in with is a clear lip gloss. I'm going to be putting it on my brush. I bought this lip gloss from my beauty supply store. It's actually cheaper than. The last step is I'm going in with my Scandinavia setting spray. I'm gonna dry this with my phone. This is the final look. That's it. Thank you so much. If you watched the whole video, like, Comment in the comment section down below if there's something else that you would like me to do a video on. Leave that in a comment. Don't forget to share also, yes, and subscribe if you found value of any sort. Subscribe. I'd like to see you again on this channel, and until my next one, royals, stay blessed. Bye guys.